What is up, peoples? Welcome back to SalzX Games. My name is Max, and today is devlog number 2 of Max's Adventure. It is currently July 16th, 2020, and yeah, this is development log number 2. So far, I've added a few things here. I don't know why I'm zoomed in so far here, but let me just focus there. So as you can see, this menu has changed a little bit. I now have a new game option and a continue button. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the action here, show off what I've done so far. So you can select new game or continue. I'm not going to do continue just yet, so let's just go. New game. So here we are. Again, looks pretty similar, although you can see I have a health bar up here now, and it is currently green. If I touch this guy, it goes down. So that's pretty simple. You know, you touch it, the color changes, the lower your health gets, and then once you die, it sends you back to the spawn, which is over there. So that's one thing that has changed since the last one. And also you might notice that the music is much quieter now because some people had pointed out in the last devlog that the music was very loud. I noticed it myself, so yeah, you should be able to actually hear me now, but that is one thing that has been added. You also get hit when you bounce into an enemy. The bottomless pit does the same thing, and also one really cool thing that I've added is this. If you press left click, you have a sword, and this is an Excalibur sprite from Terraria. This is all temporary, as I've said before, so this is just a little temporary thing, but if you hit him, then they explode with fury, and then they're just gone forever. I mean, at least until you reload into the level. So that's how you take care of these guys now. And there's a little radius, and if they're inside of it, then they get killed. But yeah, you just left click, you can hold it down to spam the sword, but yeah, it only goes at that speed. But yeah, same thing here, same deal. Now you might have noticed that down in this corner, I'm getting a message that says autosave. And what that means is that the game is autosaving, and so that is another little feature that I've added in this update. Let me just kill these guys here. So if I press menu and go back to the menu and then hit continue, this is what happens. It takes me back to the level that I was just in. So every 5 seconds, it will save your progress. And so at the moment, the only thing it saves is what level you're on. So for example, if you had a power-up or, say, your health was really low, it wouldn't register that, and you would just start at the beginning of the level, full health, all the enemies in the same place. And I think that's probably fine for the time being, but if levels do get more complicated and you need to store, you know, data such as that, like if there's an NPC that you talk to, it triggered something, but yeah, I am probably just going to leave it as is at the moment. I've also heard from a few people that the changes that I've made seem to not be really worth making videos about. But at the same time, you know, I only work on this game like 3 days a week. Every day after that, I'm working on videos, because, yeah, I've been doing weekly uploads lately. Well, actually, twice weekly uploads, including these. But later on in the process, this game will start getting bigger and bigger updates. I'll actually start working on levels and stuff. But at the moment, we're kind of just waiting on Macy's drawing tablet. And of course, Macy is my little sister. If any of y'all don't know, she is a very talented artist, and she's going to be doing the art for this game. That's why everything in this is Mario sprites. If you know, went back to some of the earlier devlogs, I have stated that in the past. But we're basically just waiting for her drawing tablet to arrive so she can do the art for the game. And then it should start looking good, and we can have, you know, all of the more complex things. I can start making levels and adding new mechanics, and you should start to see, you know, a lot more development going on in the next couple of weeks or so. But yeah, for now, this is how it is. Let me know what you think. If you have any tips or suggestions, let me know down in the comments. And of course, this is all being coded in C#, so if any of you are more experienced in C# programming, let me know if you have any tips for that. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.